Ever look at someone crushing it and wonder, how do they do it? Maybe you feel envy, or just confusion. You see people launching businesses, getting fit, learning new skills, while you feel stuck, running in place. It's frustrating. But the difference isn't talent, money, or luck. Many start from tough places and still rise. What's their secret? It's how they use their time. Everyone gets the same 24 hours. No more for the rich, no less for the poor. The successful entrepreneur, the dedicated parent, the top student, they all get 24 hours. Time is the great equalizer. So if time isn't the variable, what is? It's the quality of attention and intention you bring to your hours. Some treat time as precious, others let it slip away to distractions and procrastination. The real question isn't do you have time, but how will you invest it? Every day is a new opportunity. High achievers grab it with both hands, they protect their time fiercely, they don't let fear or distractions steal it. The difference is in the decision to use time wisely. Are you ready to make that decision? Your next 24 hours are waiting. What will you do with them? 24 hours. That's the deal for everyone. No one can buy or invent more time. Each day is a fresh start, a clean slate. This is powerful. You can't say, if only I had more time. The people you admire have the same hours as you. They're just making different choices. This realization is liberating. It shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have. You have a daily allowance of moments. You can fill them with purpose, or let them drift away. The power is in your hands. Yes, circumstances differ, but the clock ticks the same for all. If you feel behind, it's not because you got less time. It's about what you do with your allotment. Are you spending your minutes or investing them? Think of your day as a budget, not of money, but of minutes. You get 1,440 each day. Where are they going? Toward your goals, or lost to distractions? You are the manager of your time budget. You decide where each minute goes. You have the same 24 as everyone else. Use them wisely. Time isn't the real challenge. Focus is. In a world of constant distractions, your ability to direct attention is everything. Focus is like a muscle. Train it and it grows stronger. If you let every ping and notification pull you away, your focus weakens. But practice concentrating on one thing at a time and you build real strength. The key isn't more hours, but more focused moments. Multitasking, it's a myth. You're just switching tasks, losing time and quality. Imagine trying to fill leaky buckets. You spill everywhere and nothing gets done well. Scattered focus leads to busy work, not progress. True achievers treat focus as a superpower. They go deep, produce better work, and learn faster. Focus is the gateway to flow, that state where you're fully absorbed and at your best. It's not accidental. It's built through discipline. Protect your focus, and you'll get more from every hour. The difference between busy and productive? It's all in your focus. Train it daily. Make focus your edge. Let's look at real people making their minutes count. Sarah, a single parent, works full-time and cares for 2 kids. She wakes at 5 a.m. to study for her nursing degree. 1 hour, every day, no excuses. David, a young entrepreneur, started his business with little money or connections. He broke big goals into daily tasks, blocked time for each, and said no to distractions. Maria, a student from a modest background, aims for a scholarship. After classes and work, she spends 2 focused hours in the library, phone off, every night. These aren't stories of luck or genius, they're about discipline and intention. Sarah, David, and Maria all have the same 24 hours. They face challenges and responsibilities but make conscious choices. They identify what matters, carve out time, and protect it fiercely. Small, consistent efforts add up to big results. They don't wait for perfect moments. They create them, one disciplined hour at a time. Their lives prove what's possible when you master your minutes. Ordinary people, extraordinary results. What's their secret? Intentionality. They invest in themselves daily. They don't let excuses win. They show what's possible for anyone. You can do the same. Start with 1 hour. Make it count. Repeat. That's how transformation happens. What will your story be? Being busy isn't the same as being productive. You can fill your day with low-impact tasks and still get nowhere. The first shift: swap busy for effective. Track your time for a week. You might be shocked where it goes. Awareness is the first step to change. Identify your high-impact activities, the 20% that drive 80% of your results. Prioritize and schedule these tasks like unmissable appointments. Work smarter, not just harder. Reduce distractions, turn off notifications, set email times, create a focus-friendly environment. Communicate your needs. Let others know when you need uninterrupted time. It's not rude, it's respecting your goals. When you focus on effectiveness, you get more done in less time. You feel accomplished, not just exhausted. Make effectiveness your new standard. Busy is out, impact is in. Overhauling your schedule is overwhelming, so start small. Pick one daily, non-negotiable discipline that moves you toward your goal. It could be 30 minutes of writing, a 20-minute walk, or 15 minutes of language practice. The key is consistency, no excuses. This daily action becomes your anchor, your guaranteed win. Small wins build momentum and confidence. They create a ripple effect, inspiring better choices elsewhere. Protect this habit fiercely. Schedule it, guard it, make it happen. It's not about stress, it's about progress. Over time, one consistent action leads to transformation. Start today. Pick your one thing, make it non-negotiable. Watch your progress grow. One win a day, every day. That's how big change begins. The third shift: protect your time like a fortress. Good intentions and plans mean nothing if you let distractions or others steal your hours. Set boundaries. Learn to say no to what doesn't align with your priorities. Build walls around your focused time blocks. Treat them as sacred. Communicate your boundaries clearly and politely. Most people will respect your focused time if you set expectations. Saying no is a skill. Every yes to something unimportant is a no to your goals. Practice saying no gracefully. Thanks, but I can't take that on right now. This isn't selfish, it's strategic. Your time is valuable, don't let others take it. Start small. Say no to one unnecessary request this week. As you get comfortable, expand your boundaries. Building your time fortress takes courage and vigilance. But the reward? More time and energy for what matters. Guard your hours fiercely. Your future self will thank you. You have the tools. Be effective. Commit to one daily win and protect your time. These aren't theories. They're practical steps that can change your life. The power is in your hands. What will you do with your next 24 hours? Tomorrow is a blank canvas. 1,440 minutes to use with intention. Will you let them slip away or seize them for progress? Even a tiny step forward is still progress. Pick one thing you've put off. Give it 30 minutes tomorrow. Repeat for a week, a month, a year. The results will astound you. Your hours are a blank canvas. Will you create a blur of chaos or a focused masterpiece? The choice is yours. Claim your hours. Start now. What will you create with your 24 hours?